Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So this operation will be very quick. All you have to do is to simply open the recents, the contacts, import, whatever. Just enter the settings in the right upper corner, and here let's enter the harassment filter. And as you can see right here, we've got the blacklist. So let's enter, and in order to add new number, just tap on the plus icon. As you can see right now, you can simply enter the number and tap on add. It will immediately appear on the blacklist, which simply means that from now on, you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. Of course, you can tap on it, you can edit it, or you can remove it from the blacklist, and of course you will unblock it. Just tap on this trash bin icon right here and tap on remove. As you can see, we've got this number unblocked. What's more, if you want to check the kind of a history, here you've got blocked calls and blocked text messages. So if your device will block any kind of incoming calls or incoming messages, they will appear right here. You will always be able to check them right here. They will not appear kind of in regular apps, like for example in messages. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your INFINIX Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.